This Remax Ultimate Coastal Properties property video is presented by Katie Hensley. Oceanfront living with views of the Pacific Ocean from almost every room. Main level living has kitchen, living room with fireplace, master bedroom/bathroom, laundry and a half bath. Guests can enjoy upstairs bedrooms where each offer a slider to the deck and fantastic views. Home has many pleasing finishes and Coretec vinyl waterproof flooring throughout. Great potential for vacation rental or full-time living. Come put your toes in the sand and enjoy the beach. For more information, review the details below or contact Katie Hensley at 541-425-7494.